Welcome to Smart Education. Now we are going to learn about love for animals. The school bell rings. It is 4:15 in the evening. Lucy and Nitin are returning home from school. They see a man walking with his pet dog. The man is trying to tell his dog something. The dog seems to be answering him by barking. Watching this, Lucy remembers Raman Maharshi.
Do you know anything about Bhagwan Raman Maharshi?
No, I don't. What's special about him?
Sri Bhagwan Raman Maharshi loved animals and birds.
Can you tell me more about Raman Maharshi?
Listen, even animals were attracted to him. He spoke to them just as he would speak with people.
You mean just like the man we saw talking to his dog?
Yes, he called the dogs boys. He used to say, "Are the boys eating their food?"
Really?
Yes, and he called his cow Lakshmi. He used to say, "Give Lakshmi some rice."
Where did he keep all these animals?
These animals lived in his ashram. He always fed the animals and birds first. He ate only after feeding them.
Even birds?
Yes, Raman Maharshi called the peacocks by making sounds of their cries. Then they would go to him and ate the peanuts, rice and mangoes from his hands.
That's interesting. Lucy, will you please tell me more interesting stories about Raman Maharshi and animals?
Yes, listen. One day, Maharshi was sitting on a hillside. A snake crawled over his legs. He didn't move nor show any fear. Later, someone asked him what he felt like when the snake crawled over his legs. He replied, "Cool and soft."
My God, I would have cried and run away. Did anyone kill the snakes in the ashram?
Raman Maharshi never allowed people to kill snakes in his ashram. He said, "We have come to their home and we have no right to trouble them. They do not trouble us." Oh, we are nearing our homes. I will continue the story tomorrow.
Yes, thanks a lot. Who told you all these stories?
My grandmother knows a lot of stories. She tells us stories every day. Bye.
That's wonderful. Tell me more tomorrow. See you. Bye.